Hi everyone, welcome once again. In this video, we will look at a general solution type of question, a complicated one that requires a thorough knowledge of quadratic equations. In this instance, we have the equation sine squared x plus 2 sine x cos x equals to 3 cos squared x. And you see dividing by sine or dividing by cos does not really help. In fact, when it comes to general solutions, you do not do that. The moment you divide by sine or cos, in some cases, that throws away a solution. You only want to divide when you are guaranteed that you're going to change the whole thing into a tangent, all right? And in this case, that does not work, okay? So we have to put this in standard form, write it as a quadratic, or at least as a trinomial, and see how we factorize that. So in this case, if I work on the left-hand side, I have that, and this is sine x cos x minus 3 cos squared x equals to 0. And again, I needed to see what's going to happen here. Let me just take you back to algebra. If I have p squared plus 2pk minus 3k squared, how would I factorize this? Well, by inspection, I know that p by p is p squared. And the factors of 3, strictly speaking, 3 is prime number, so it's just 3 and 1. So I must have a 3k here and a k. Now, the middle term is a positive 2. That means from these factors, then the positive will go with the bigger factor. That has to be a negative because I want the last term to be negative. If we mirror this into what we are given, it means I can factorize this whole thing as sine x plus 3 cos x sine x minus cos x equal to 0. I've seen learners leaving out the 0, and as a result, we're going to penalize you for bad notation. From here, we work on the 0 product. We know either sine x plus 3 cos x is 0 or sine x minus cos x is 0. Now, I know that dividing by cos will actually give me the tangent. So take that out to one side, or sine x equals to cos x. So I divide by cos both sides, cos x. Then I have tan x equals to negative 3, or here tan x equals to 1, because cos x divided by cos x is a 1. Here you get a tan. Now you have to work out both two solutions. We're going to work with a reference angle here, and for my reference angle, I must take arctan of a 3. I'm not going to do the negative 3, okay? I tried to explain this in the most basic way for everyone to understand. So if I get my reference, if I'm looking for my reference angle here, I get a 71.57 degrees. Very important to include that unit. And then here, I know my special angles, so right away, my reference angle is 45 degrees. Now, the beauty of the tangent is that you just need to work with one quadrant and you are done. So what we do here, tan is negative in the second quadrant, so it is enough to say x equals to 180 minus the reference angle. So in other words, what is 180 minus 71.57? And that gives me 108.43 degrees plus 180k, and you must take that k is an integer in this context. The second one here, x is equal to, I'll just work with the first quadrant, so it is 45 plus 180k. Again, very important to state that k is an integer. All right. There is a full set of playlist on videos about the different types of questions that you can expect on general solutions. This is one of the 5 types that are there. So please, if you're not sure how to navigate around that, do comment and let me know. Even if this video has helped you, do give us that feedback. I hope you have enjoyed this. I'll see you once again when you send that question on any problem that may seem to bother you for your exam preparation. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe and like if you have not done so already.